Hello, Kerry here from Proquip. Today I want to explain our wand and hose accessory system that we can supply with our floor scrubbing machines. This is an optional extra which is really handy for isolated spills, such as in a supermarket, that you need to suck up that you don't want to use a mop and bucket for. So it comprises of this, a hose and a wand and a tool. So I've got here with me one of our ride-on scrubbers. Just plugs in the back here, the hose. Now I'm going to create a bit of a spill. And now I've created my spill, I'm going to turn the machine on into suction mode. And this floor tool here has got two sides. One is a brush and the other is a squeegee. Both sides are useful, so we scrub in if it's the kind of spill that needs scrubbing to agitate it, release it from the floor. Then I'm going to switch it over to suck up mode. And remove my spill from the floor. So there you have it, a really handy accessory for your floor scrubbing machine. It's called our wand and hose system accessory, and it comes with the flipping head, so you've got your brush and your squeegee both sides. Hope that's helpful. Thank you.